Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the SteamTools purchase error. All right, let's begin. First, it is recommended to create a backup of your achievements because this method may clear them. You can do this using a tool called Steam Achievement Manager, also known as SAM. It is available on GitHub and allows you to save your achievements before making any changes. After that, go to the C drive, open program files.86, then open the Steam folder. Inside this folder, locate the folder named App Cache. In this folder, you will find two files called appinfo.vdf and packageinfo.vdf. Select both files, right-click, and delete them. Once deleted, fully close Steam, including from the taskbar, and restart it. When Steam launches again, the error should be resolved. If the issue continues, open Steam settings, go to downloads, and select clear download cache, then confirm. So that's basically how you can fix the SteamTools purchase error fix. That's it for this video. Thanks.